Hi, I'm Tom with Learn PD Art Online, and today it's just a really short video just to give you beginners out there a tip that might just help you with glue pulling for paintless dent removal. But before we show the video, hit subscribe, click that bell notification, and make sure you don't miss the next video release we do. Now stay tuned. So my top tip for beginners with glue pulling paintless dent removal is to just spend a small amount of money and get yourself one of these marker pencils. Now this is Dixon, I think is the make, and it's a China marker. But all it is really is just a small, like a chalk pencil for marking up panels that won't permanently leave a mark on the paintwork. So when glue pulling, it's often difficult to gauge exactly where the centre of the dent is. Once you've got your glue on a tab and you're using your line board to see the dent, then applying that tab exactly in the centre. So my top tip for beginners is to draw a tiny little dot right in the centre first, and then once you've got your glue loaded up on the tab, it makes it much easier to put it right in the centre of that dent. Once you've then pulled and you've removed the dent, this pencil marker just wipes straight off with some polish or methylated spirits. So we have a small marker pencil like this, and if this is your dent, you can look at it, draw a small dot right in the centre of the dent, and it's going to make it much easier once you get your glue tab to put it just onto that dot. And then once the dent has been removed, a small bit of methylated spirits on the cloth, and you're able to take it off completely. So that's it for today's top tip. Just a short video, but hopefully that will help out some of you newbies in paintless dent removal to help get you started and get used to pitting glue tabs in the centre of a dent. So hopefully you found that useful. If you have, just give us the thumbs up please. Hit subscribe and remember to hit that notification button, the little bell icon, so that you don't miss out on the next video update we do. I'm Tom with Learn PD Art Online, and thank you for watching.